How to clear iCloud storage and free up space. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can free up iCloud storage and free up space. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, head over to your settings. On your settings, on the top, you'll find your profile. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll find your iCloud right here. Tap on your iCloud. After you've tapped on your iCloud here, you will see an option where you will see how many items that are on your iCloud. So you can tap on that and there you will see all the items that are being kept in your iCloud. So what you can do here is go back there. If you scroll down there, you'll see iCloud backup. Tap on that, let it load. And then if you want to keep backing up, you can tap on backup or for now simply pause this backup process. After you've paused your backup process or backup iCloud process, you can then come back to this storage full option, tap on that, and check what is consuming your storage. So right here, you can see my photos are something that's consuming most of the storage. So if I tap on that, I can simply turn off and delete the photos. So you can just go ahead and delete the files in your iCloud drive and photos in your iCloud photos. You can open up iCloud photos. You can tap on view storage or you can simply head over to iCloud and simply start deleting stuff. You can check what you can delete and start deleting. You'll see backups from here as well. So if you want to delete any backup, you can delete that as well. And yeah, that's basically how you can check and then clear iCloud storage and free up space. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.